The Seamless Blossom project was all about creating an inflatable 3D print. It was this exploration of what we can start to do with 3D printers. And it's combining these two materials. It's what Object calls digital materials. So on the one hand we've got this rubber-like material which is very soft and flexible, and then on the other hand as the structure we have this really solid, clear, full core material. And it's like a resin that you can adjust the quantities at the point of print. So you can start to create these really amazing mixtures of the material and creating entirely new materials at point of print. The flower came about as this idea of trying to create this organic form out of this totally non-organic process and material. Basically it's a curved hollow chamber with flexible rubber, and as you inflate it, it creates a gap of air which pushes against the inner layer. It then forces itself outwards and almost blooms like a petal. Each of the petals and the flower buds was designed in SolidWorks, and again it's coming from this very digital and this very structured code-like platform and creating these very organic forms. What I've done here is created an interactive installation. There's no electronics apart from the light underneath, and it's all based on pneumatics and just air pressure. Some of the actual internal, sort of the blooming seed, if you like, is actually dyed in different colours. So we have some of them that are red and some yellow and some blue. And it's almost this little game of trying to find these little coloured petals, and you start to play with them almost as if you would an instrument.